Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome with another video. Today we are going to unbox and review of this JR-T03 Pro, which we have different features like open window pairing, both headset switch freely, inductive touch, 5BT version, 360 mAh charging box, and it's also support wireless charging. So here we unbox the packing and we will see what we have inside the box. We have here main unit, ear tips, red silicone case with us in the box. Design and build quality is very good. Red silicone case also seems in a good quality. We have here ear tips in the box. So these are the things that we have in the box, and all these things are in good quality. Just remove the cover and we will see we have here charging cable, and also this charging cable also in a good quality, and same like iPhone charging cable, the previous models, and it seems overall a good quality. Here we have this user manual. If you read it, it's okay. You know how to better operate this Airpod Pro from JOYROOM. Overall build quality for all the items are very good. Red silicone case also in a very good quality, and you can see how can we use this one. So just put aside and we will check other things like Airpod Pro box. It's a premium clicky sound. At the bottom you have charging port. Also you can charge the case wireless. This is the outside one, no sensor, so it's no use. As soon you take your AirPod out from your ears, music or videos will automatically stop or paused. Bass and sound quality is amazing in this price tag. Design and build quality is very good. Only one thing is disappointing, they don't have much Bluetooth range. That's make me disappointed. Whenever I go little bit far from my mobile, they start shuttering and the music obviously starts distorting. Battery backup, we have here 2 to 3 hours. In-ear detection is good. Almost many features are amazing. I have faced no such big issue with this, only except one thing. Basically, these are perfect AirPods Pro clone. Under $70 with premium quality and best sound. So basically only one sensor is working, which is inside the AirPod Pro, and other two sensors outside, they are not sensors, they are just signs. So basically it is a very sleeky and beautiful design, premium clicky sound, design quality, design and build quality is very good. In this wireless charging case, green light indicates fully charged, orange light or white light, it means that you need to charge it, or it's less than 40% charging. So let's put this charging case in the silicone case, and it feels very good in the hand, and very easy to use. Overall, I like this wireless headset from JOYROOM, and I will recommend these in this price tag. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.